Hi everyone, this is Rose from Bitpos po, and in this video, pag-uusapan natin yung top 5 frequently asked questions for food and beverages type of business. First question is, kaya po ba ni Bitpos yung PSU order and table order taking process? The answer is yes. I have my mobile order taking device here, and ito po yung mga list of tables ko. For PSU order naman po, directly po natin siyang ginagawa dito sa ating cashiering side. Next question is, for kitchen and bar printout, kaya po ba natin? The answer is yes on that one po. Here, I have my mobile order taking side, and then ito po yung list of order. Tap ko lang yung kitchen and bar, and automatically po ay nagpiprint naman po siya. So this is the copy or sample of our printout. Ito yung copy ng kitchen and bar. Ito naman po yung ticket base natin during serving papunta sa ating mga tables. Next naman po is yung senior discount process. Yes, kaya naman po ng system natin iyan. I have my random products here. Tap ko lang po siya based on number of packs yung discounting natin. So we can do that one here on the system. So input ko lang po. There are 3 of them in the table po at saka isang senior citizen. Automatically po ay nagko-compute na siya ng discount. Tender ko lang po ito. Input the pera of the customer and tingnan lang natin yung receipt, and as you can see here on the receipt po, nakikita po natin yung senior or PWD number of packs. So, yes, kaya naman po natin iyon. And for the product encoding naman po, we have here the kitchen or raw materials compositioning po. So, Bitpos can do that one. This is an example of our product. I have iced coffee vanilla here, and then ito po yung mga kitchen ingredients niya na automatically pong nagbabawas during selling process po. So yes po, we can do that one. And lastly, for our online store, we have our Tindahan application. This can do delivery, dine-in, and takeaway po. So I have my QR code here. This is my phone. Scan lang po natin yung ating QR code, and automatically, the moment we scan it, redirected po siya dito sa ating digital menu where the customer can take their order and then confirm their order po. For more information and process po, you may book an online demo po, or you may chat us in our page for your questions.